you exactly, Benjo? 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 Why? Stop doing here. You're making me fall. It's raining tacos from out the sky. Tacos. No need to ask why. Just open your mouth and close your eyes. It's raining tacos. Out of the street, tacos. All you can eat. Lettuce and shells, cheese and meat. It's raining tacos, yum, 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 buddy, yum. It's like a dream. Yum, 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 let me bring the sour cream. Shell, lettuce, mayo, cheese, shell, lettuce, mayo, cheese, shell, mayo, cheese, shell, mayo, lettuce, cheese, mayo, cheese, 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 cheese. It's raining tacos. Raining tacos. Raining tacos. It's raining tacos. It's raining tacos. Raining tacos. Raining tacos. Shell, lettuce, meat, shell, meat, lettuce, cheese, shell, meat, lettuce, cheese, shell, meat, lettuce, cheese, shell, meat, cheese, cheese.
Yes.
Okay, bye-bye. Raining tacos. It's raining tacos. It's raining tacos. Raining tacos. Raining tacos.
Okay, Layla, it's time to
It's raining tacos. It's raining tacos.
Mom, I'm hungry.
Raining tacos.
Well, it's a good thing I have just this
Tacos.
Alright, well, let's get you some green vegetables. That sounds so delicious. And so nutritious. Ooh, yum. Looks kind of comfy, huh? That's okay. Alright, so let's mix in some water.
It's raining tacos. Raining tacos.
Good enough. Mix this up. Ooh, yummy.
It's raining tacos. It's raining tacos. Raining tacos.
Here comes the
Raining tacos.
good girl. Is it
It's
yummy?
raining tacos. Raining tacos.
Alright, open up again. Here's a big spoonful. bath time then?
See, I got terminated because of it.
Alright, let's go then.
It's raining tacos.
Okay, sweet baby, let's go ahead and get your onesie off.
Raining
And get you
tacos.
in the bathtub and get you all
Raining
clean and nice and ready for bed.
It's raining tacos. It's raining tacos. Raining tacos.
Okay, what colors? Okay, let me see your hand.
It's raining tacos.
There you go, hold your hands full. We need to finish your cleaning up, so let me finish scrubbing you and getting you all clean, okay?
Raining
Go
tacos.
to bed, it's almost your bedtime. Okay, we're gonna scrub your arms and your hands and your fingers and your cute little face.
Raining tacos. Raining tacos.
Alright.
It's raining tacos. It's raining tacos.
Okay, clean.
Raining
So
tacos.
good. The bubble bath.
Raining tacos. It's raining tacos. Raining tacos.
Let's get your shoes on. Okay, Layla, I think we've got you all dried up. Now let's get a diaper on that cute little baby.
Shell, meat, lettuce, cheese. Shell, meat,
Okay, one more
lettuce,
thing. I just want
cheese.
to
Shell,
down your hair
meat,
and comb
lettuce,
through it and
cheese.
put it back in
Shell, meat.